Hello, may I ask who's speaking? Hello, Miss Kim, it's me, Amy. I'm calling you to ask whether I can be absent from class today.
What's wrong?
I think I caught a cold. I'm having a high fever right now.
Oh no, have you seen the doctor?
Not yet, Miss Kim. I've just had those symptoms since last night. I thought I was able to go to school, but I don't think I can make it.
Okay, I understand. Is there anybody at your home now?
Unfortunately, no. My parents are going away on business, so I'm home alone now. All right, Amy, please take care. I will visit your home after class. Thank you, Miss Kim.
Lucas, I was looking for you this morning. Where did you go?
I'm sorry, I was going to the supermarket to buy some food. Is there any problem?
Someone called you this morning. I think there were 8 missed calls in total on your phone screen.
Really?
Yeah, but I don't know who was calling, so I could not pick it up for you.
That's okay. Thank you for reminding me.
Don't forget to bring your phone along with you next time.
Sure thing.
What are you doing now, Jay? I'm still a college student, but recently I've got a chance to become an intern in a small company. What do you do there? My job's basically like a secretary. I help answer the phone and emails, arrange appointments for my manager, and take the minutes. Wow, you'll gain a lot of experience. Do you like your job? Yeah, I love it. You're right, I'm gaining many useful experiences for my future. Do you intend to become a secretary after graduation? Not sure. Right now, I still have enough time to test my ability, so I'll grasp as many opportunities as possible. You're so ambitious, man.
I'm full now.
How was the meal?
It was fantastic. Thank you so much for treating me so well today.
It was my pleasure to cook for you. What would you like for dessert? I have chocolate cake, cinnamon rolls, and apple pie. Which one do you prefer?
I usually go with the chocolate option because I love chocolate, but this time I'll give cinnamon rolls a try.
All right, here you are.
Your decoration makes it more yummy.
Hope you like it. How does it taste?
Perfect. It's sweet, but not too much. I love it.
Glad you like it.
Excuse me, I think I saw a pencil falling out from your bag. Is it yours? No, it isn't. How could it fall out from my bag? Did you take it from someone else by mistake? Let me think. During the class, I borrowed someone's pencil, but I don't remember who. Was that the person sitting next to you? No way. Cindy was sitting next to me, but she didn't have any pencil. She uses a ballpoint pen. So how about the person sitting behind or in front of you? Ah, I remember who now. This is Henry's pencil. Let me give it back to him. Thank you so much. You're welcome.
What are you listening to, Emma?
Oh, I'm listening to the radio.
Does this radio belong to you?
No, it's from my grandpa. It looks old, right?
Yeah, it's an old-fashioned radio. Do you know how old it is?
I don't remember, but my grandpa once said that this radio is older than us.
Wow, really?
Yeah, maybe it's 50 years old or even older.
But is it still working well?
Yes, it is. It receives signals so well that I can listen to any kind of news or music. That's good.
Where is toothpaste? Excuse me?
Yes, how can I help you?
Can you show me where I can find toothpaste?
Yes, please follow me. This way. This is the toothpaste section.
Thank you so much. Do you need anything else? Well, I'm looking for Colgate toothpaste. Do you know where it is? It's here. Let me take it for you. Here you are. Thank you. Okay, don't panic, but we might need a new kitchen.
Babe, I leave for 10 minutes and you turn our dinner into a crime scene.
I followed the recipe. It said use high heat. How was I supposed to know high means make food into coal?
Miriam, darling, you bit off more than you could chew. Gordon Ramsay makes cooking look easy, okay?
Shut up. At least I tried. You only eat frozen pizza every night.
So takeout pizza? Sure, let me get my phone.
Okay, but next time.
Next time, you're banned from anything sharper than a spoon.
No, it means I will get better.
Right.
Just need the milk. Where's the milk?
About that...
Who drank the milk and put the empty carton back?
In my defense, it was really good milk.
This is the last straw. First my snacks, now this. We're out of milk. The cake's half made.
And what if we replace them with yogurt?
Are you out of your mind?
Coconut milk, almond milk, that weird powdered milk from 2017.
Fine, we'll use yogurt. But if this tastes like sadness...
I will take responsibility. See, it's creative.
We are all going to get in the hospital because of you.
What even is barista blend? Do I look like a coffee shop?
You've been staring at milk for 10 minutes. It's just milk.
No, this isn't just milk. This is a life choice. What if I choose wrong?
Here, this one has a cute cow on it.
That's whole milk. That's basically drinking butter. Do you want me to become my grandmother?
Hold on. It's organic, unsweetened, and has a picture of a happy almond wearing sunglasses. Happy.
Okay, fine.
Perfect. Now let's go.
Why is there so much yogurt?
No, not again.
Greek yogurt, drinkable yogurt. Why does yogurt need so many options?
That one says gut-friendly.
I don't want my gut to be friendly. I just want yogurt.
Here, strawberry flavor. Done.
Contains 17% of your daily sugar. Are you trying to kill me?
I'm getting wine. Lots of wine.
How was it? Exactly like Grandma used to make.
Tastes like sadness.
That's not helpful.
What? Grandma would have said that.
Like when you burned the cookies last year? Peter, these taste like regret.
Now you sound like Grandma.
Okay, be real with me. Is the soup really that bad?
It's not that terrible.
So it is that bad. Well, your grandma always said cooking is an adventure.
I'm pretty sure she didn't mean create new life forms.
Oh, please. It's still better than Dad's infamous chili.
That stuff should come with a warning label.
All right, but I'll try again next week.
Why don't you help me cook next time?
You sure, Mom? My skills are as bad as Dad's. Like you said.
I don't mind. Besides, you get to practice too. Fine.
First, we need eggs. Lots of eggs.
Why do we need 24 eggs? Are we opening a bakery?
And flour, and sugar, and, butter.
Andy, are you baking a cake or building a house?
Both. I found this 5-layer chocolate cake recipe, and it looked as easy as pie.
Famous last words.
Sophia, there's a crocked one.
So?
What if it's contaminated? What if it hatches in our cart?
Andy, it's an egg, not an alien.
This one's safe. Probably.
You realize we don't own an industrial mixer, right?
Spoons exist.
So do regrets.
Huh? This says cayenne pepper.
Oh, right. Maybe a spicy cake?
No.
Oh my God.
What?
The recipe says room temperature butter, as it's frozen.
Wow, this is a recipe for disaster. We have to microwave it or sit on it.
Breathe. We'll survive slightly cold butter.
So, still think baking is easy?
I'll stick to toast. Rice, chicken, onion, garlic.
You're making paella.
Uh-huh. I've wanted to try this dish for a while now.
Rosie, this recipe has like 20 steps.
I know, but that's what makes it good, right?
So the more complicated the recipe, the better.
Yes, the better the food.
I already sense something bad is about to hop in.
Whatever. Help me or get out of the kitchen.
All right, all right.
Stop. That's enough rice for 50 people.
Is 50 bad?
Is that even a question? I said low heat.
But high heat is faster.
Oh my God, now it looks like a pot of coal.
Let's call it a day. I'll make mac and cheese while you clean the kitchen, okay?
Yeah, mac and cheese sounds good.
You know, that's basically a heart attack on a plate.
And yours is basically rabbit food.
Where is the flavor in the nutrition? You're playing with fire eating like that every day. Here, try something that's not fried food.
No thanks. My fries are technically made from potatoes.
That's a vegetable. So is ketchup by your logic. Come on, try some salad. What if you like it?
Nah, still a no for me.
Listen here, you stubborn head. I dare you to eat one thing off my plate. Just one.
What do I get if I do?
If you like it, you have to try one healthy thing a week.
What if I hate it?
I will buy you a milkshake.
Double chocolate.
Fine.
It's good. Like, weirdly good.
Hold. Now pay up. One healthy thing a week.
Unbelievable. You tricked me.
Good morning, Lisa. Good morning, Sophie. Did you sleep well? Yes, very well. What a beautiful day. Yes, the weather is perfect. Are you hungry? I'm hungry. A little bit. What time is it? It's 9 o'clock. Oh, I need to get ready. Get ready? Why? I have plans today. I'm meeting my sister. Oh, I see. Where are you going? We're going shopping. She needs new clothes. That sounds fun. Yes. What about you? What are your plans? I don't know. Maybe I'll go get breakfast. That's a good idea. Do you want to come with me? We can have breakfast together. I'm sorry, I can't. I'm meeting my sister at 10. No problem. Maybe next time. Yes, definitely next time. Where will you go? I don't know yet. Maybe the bakery on Main Street. Oh, that bakery is good. I like their croissants. Me too. Okay, I'll go there. Have a nice day, Sophie. You too, Lisa. Have fun with your sister. Thanks. See you tonight. See you tonight.
Here's the bakery. It smells so good. Let me go inside.
Good morning. Welcome to our bakery.
Good morning. Everything looks delicious.
Thank you. What would you like today?
I want something sweet. What do you recommend?
Our croissants are very popular, fresh from the oven.
That sounds perfect.
Would you like a drink with that?
What drinks do you have?
We have coffee, tea, and hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate sounds great.
Good choice. Here or to go?
Here, please. Can I sit by the window?
Of course. That table is free.
Thank you.
I'll bring your order to the table.
Perfect. Thank you so much. This seat is nice. I can see the street.
Here you go. 1 croissant and 1 hot chocolate. Enjoy.
Thank you. It looks wonderful.
This croissant is so warm and buttery.
And the hot chocolate is perfect. So cozy and sweet.
This is a great start to my day.
It's almost noon. I'm getting hungry again. Let me go to the market first. I need to buy some fruit. Here's the market. So many fresh fruits.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please. I want to buy some fruit.
What fruits do you like?
I like bananas, apples, and oranges.
All of those are very fresh today.
Great. How much are the bananas?
$2 per pound.
Okay, I'll take 1 pound of bananas.
Sure. Anything else?
Yes, I want 2 apples and 3 oranges.
Perfect. That will be $7 total.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Now I have fruit for later, but I'm really hungry now. Oh, there's a food truck. Perfect.
Hi there. Welcome.
Hello. What's the most popular?
We have chicken, tuna, and veggie sandwiches.
I can't decide. What sandwiches do you have?
The chicken sandwich is our best seller. Very tasty.
Okay, I'll try that. 1 chicken sandwich, please.
Great choice. Would you like a drink?
What drinks do you have?
We have water, orange juice, and lemonade.
Orange juice sounds good.
Perfect. 1 chicken sandwich and 1 orange juice. That's $8.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your order will be ready in 5 minutes.
Okay, I'll wait here.
There's a bench under that tree. You can sit there.
Good idea. Thank you.
Here's your order. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you so much. This sandwich looks tasty. It's so good. The chicken is tender, very filling, and this orange juice is so fresh and cold, perfect for a hot day.